Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools and gadgets on the market. Today, we've got a real powerhouse for all you woodworking enthusiasts out there, the Bosch PR20EVS Cult Palm Router. Stick around, because this might just be the best wood router you've ever laid your hands on. So, let's dive right into it. The Bosch PR20EVS Cult Palm Router is a compact but incredibly powerful tool that's perfect for a wide range of woodworking tasks. It's got a lot going for it, and we'll break it down for you. First up, let's talk about design and ergonomics. One of the standout features of this router is its ergonomic palm grip design with soft grip. It fits comfortably in your hand, making those intricate woodworking jobs a breeze. Plus, it has just the right balance of power and ease of use, which sets it apart from larger routers. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. This router boasts a 1.0 horsepower 5.6 amp variable speed motor that can handle speeds ranging from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. That means you have the power you need for a variety of tasks, from trimming edges to mortising for hinges and even slot cutting. It's a true workhorse. When it comes to durability, the Bosch PR20EVS doesn't disappoint. Its rugged aluminum fixed base is built to last and offers precision in your work. And here's a neat feature: finger support pockets for added stability, especially when you're working on those tricky edges. Precision is the name of the game in woodworking, and this router delivers. The fast and precise depth adjustment system allows for both macro and micro adjustments, giving you total control. Plus, the quick clamp system makes it easy to move the motor from base to base, adding to its versatility. Speaking of versatility, this router can handle bits up to 1 5/16 inches in diameter, which means you're not limited when it comes to your projects. And changing bits is a breeze with a versatile bit changing system that requires just 2 wrenches or a spindle lock and 1 wrench. This Bosch Cult Palm Router also comes with an edge guide, which allows you to create precise edges up to 3 to 5/8 of an inch from the edge of your workpiece. Plus, it has an angled cord exit to keep that cord out of your way while you work. Now, one important thing to note is that this router is designed for use in the US. So, if you're abroad, you might need an adapter or converter to use it. Always check compatibility before purchasing. And here's the best part: you can get this fantastic router on Amazon at an incredible price. Trust me, it's a steal for the quality and features you're getting. So, there you have it, folks. The Bosch PR20EVS Cult Palm Router. It's powerful, precise, and versatile, making it the best wood router for all your woodworking needs. Don't miss out on this fantastic tool. Grab yours today. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.